Good morning, challengers. We are on day 6, and today we are going to do an intro into one of my favorite types of workouts, and that's functional training. Now, you probably heard me use that buzzword before. It's a really popular buzzword now. If you Google any number of fitness workouts, you might see the words functional fitness or functional training in there somewhere. And there's a reason for that, because there's a lot of reasons why we tend to think about our training as just a workout. But when you think of it in terms of how functional it can be for your life, then it makes a lot more sense. There are all kinds of modifications that you guys are asking for, which is great, because the whole point, or one of the reasons why I wanted to do this challenge, is to show you that there isn't just one correct way to do it. And a lot of times we have to modify things. That just doesn't go for what goes on in the gym. That goes on for what goes outside the gym in your life too, okay? So it's all about the way you think about it and the way you approach it. So let me just give you a little bit of a description of what our philosophy is of functional training. And hopefully that'll help you gain some insight into the types of exercises we're going to be doing really over the next few days. Because my intent over the second half of the challenge is to show you combo workouts so that, when you have a day when you can possibly achieve a little bit more, get a little bit more done, then a combo workout is a great way to do it. Another way to think about how useful a combo workout can be is if you're at the point where you're ready to take it up a notch, or you feel like you want to try to challenge yourself a little bit more, then doing a combo workout is a great way to go about it. But before we get into that, let me explain a little bit more about my philosophy of functional training and what we try to teach here at CU Fitness. When you think about all the exercises that we do every day in our daily lives, we think about how often we have to bend down and pick something up, or how often we're reaching for a top shelf maybe, or the fact that we may have to pick something up off the floor and then lift and put it up. Think about that for a minute. Think about taking groceries out of your car, opening that super heavy door in the office building sometimes so that you don't automatically go for the automatic door, okay? This goes for at the grocery store too. A lot of times I have noticed when I go out grocery shopping that most of the doors available now are the doors that just open on their own. But there are still a few places where there's a manual door to open too, and 9 times out of 10, it's heavier and it takes work to open it. So I'd like you to think about that as well, okay? But think about too, like playing with your kids. Think about playing with your animals out in the yard. One of our challengers posted yesterday about how she's shoveling snow, okay? And that's always a helpful way to go about it too, because shoveling snow, for those of you that live in the colder weather and that have to do that pretty much on the regular in the wintertime, that can be a huge workout, because not only are you using your entire body, you're generating heat and lots of energy to do that, because your body's already burning extra calories to stay warm. And most of the time in the wintertime, that's where shorter workouts can really be helpful. Let's take that one step further in the warmer weather, doing yard work, mowing grass, okay? Even just simply as much as purging and cleaning and getting rid of stuff. Moving heavy boxes, moving furniture. All of that takes a tremendous amount of fitness to be able to accomplish that. So when we think about all the exercises that are involved in just those examples, we're talking about lots of different things that you can incorporate into a workout. So if you're really not a gym person, and I know a lot of you really aren't, and if you're not like super excited about going and getting on machines and everything at the gym, quite honestly, I don't know many people who are, myself included. So what I choose to do is look at it a little bit different and think, how can I be creative about this and make this to be something not only that's going to benefit me and that's going to help me, but in a way that I can actually do and maybe look forward to. And some days I don't look forward to it, quite honestly. But what I do look forward to is the benefit that I get from it and how it makes me feel. It makes me feel empowered and challenged and a sense of achievement, because I know I've done something positive for myself. And then the rest of my life is going to benefit from that, okay? The people that I interact with, my clients, my husband, my friends, okay? Even my animals and my students at school, and any number of things, my nieces, nephews, and my family. I mean, think about that for a minute. Think about what a heightened level of fitness can do for the rest of your life. And that's really what our mission here is at CU Fitness, is to help you with that, is to help you come up with a strategy that works for you to make the rest of your life exponentially better, because that's what it's all about. We get one chance on this earth, okay? One chance. and we want to make the most of it every second of every day, okay? So today, we're going to do our introduction to functional training. So I have 5 different exercises for you today. And some of them may seem like repeats, okay? A lot of them are the same type of exercises that we've already done, but just with a different type flair to it. Okay, I'll give you an example. We're going to do a lunge today, but we're going to add a core twist to it. So it may seem like just another lunge, but if you think about it, you're getting a lot of extra muscle with that, okay? And think about during the day how often you might have to twist to move, or twist to do something, or to put something up, okay? Or anything along those lines, okay? We're also going to learn a really cool exercise. A friend of mine teaches this with kettlebells. We'll get into a little bit of that a little bit later on. But we're also going to learn an exercise where we're actually lying on the floor to start. And then we slowly come to kind of a semi-standing position holding a weight in our hand. Now, I just want to make it clear, I'm not still suggesting that you not go out and buy equipment just yet, unless you already have some that you want to use. You can use a water bottle for this. You can use a textbook like I did on day 4. You can use anything heavy that you have nearby. It can be a paperweight, okay? It can be a small box. It could be, I think one of our challengers posted on day 2 that she used an end table, and it was a light end table, but hey, weight is weight. It really doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be something that looks like something you'd use in the gym, okay? I mean, weight is weight. That's what it comes down to. So those are some of the type things you're going to see in our challenge today. So you want to head over to the Facebook group, check it out. I would encourage you to try that, okay? Try everything at least once, okay? And if you find you cannot do it, there's almost always a modification for it. In fact, there's a couple exercises where I'm going to demonstrate modifications for you, okay? So that's 5 exercises today that I'm going to challenge you to do. I'm also going to continue to challenge you to be as active as you can. So if that's taking a walk today in the Raleigh area, it's sunny, it's a little on the cool side, but it's sunny. So take a walk, do something active, get outside, breathe the fresh air. It's all good for you, okay? So we will see you on the other side. Bye.